Hey everybody, it's Mike from Mike's Place in good old Kent, Ohio. And Doug Jenkins, who's helping me with all these videos, and he's helping me with my island music, which I can't wait for you all to hear, and taste testing. I got this hat on because, as you all know, we lost Jimmy Buffett, who was a true inspiration for me. You know, he just made you feel good listening to his music. Thank God we still have his music. Today what we're going to make is Italian sausage. This is one of my favorite dishes and most requested in a lot of our catering events. So hands down, the best sausage to use if you live in Portage counties is from Dumas Meats on Mogadore Road, or in Mogadore. I'm not sure what the street's called. But if you've never been there, it is worth a road trip. What I like to use is a mild Italian sausage. So Doug, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. As you know, I love peppers. You can never put enough peppers in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the peppers. I've already got the garlic cut up, and I'm going to cut up the tomatoes.
Grab a big cutting board. Note these quantities are enough for 6 links. Clean 2 to 3 large peppers. Mix your colors, green, red, yellow. 1 large sweet onion. Julienne these. 3 meaty tomatoes, diced. Half dozen large garlic cloves, minced.
Okay. Add olive oil. Peppers. A few more. Now.
Ooh.
You might have to take a long time for that. Look at those.
Wow.
Are they beautiful?
Absolutely.
Okay, and now we're going to put the vegetables on top. Onions. More peppers. More peppers.
Ooh.
Tomatoes. Oh, Lord. I'm telling you, Doug, when you're done with this, do not throw away the juice. That is like a frickin' amazing soup. You can add any pepper you want because it only gets better in this pot.
Man.
And now the garlic. If I get this on my wife's floor, I'm dead meat, Doug. Okay, there you go.
All right.
Thank you. Okay, Doug, now's the time for the spices, which you can all see. I love spices. I think I was feeling Italian today. I put a little too much oregano.
Is that oregano?
Yeah, but it's all good.
Now for the game changer.
Okay, Doug, what I have here is Stouffer's chicken base. I like the paste. What I'm going to do is I preheated this water to boiling. Now I'm mixing it in because I want to get every bit of it. And then what I do is, while that's going, sometimes I add a little bit of water just to get the last bit out, you know. Yeah. And in the meantime, Doug, I'm going to put mild pepperings all over. And I did put the juice in. And then I add pepperoncinis, which are never used enough in cooking. And I add more juice.
Oh, man.
Now what I do is I stir this up to get all the chicken base in. More chicken base. As we cook this, we might need a little more water. So I'm going with about 1.5 cups because all the vegetables will cook down. And during the cooking, we're going to make sure that there's plenty of liquid that stays in here. So I'll talk about that later. Hey, if any of you have ever cooked with me, you know I love salt, sugar, and grease. Today's sugar is brown sugar. What I do is I take the brown sugar and I save some for the end of the cooking process, and I liberally spread it all over. Okay, so Doug, this is ready. Now we are going to put it into an oven at 285 to 300, and I only use a regular baking oven. If you have convection oven, do not use this because this is going to be a 4-hour process in cooking.
Okay. So I left Mike's place. I just came to let my dog out, and then I got to go get my niece because she's going to be cooking this. When I said Mike's place, I meant like his house. Not his place, which is Mike's Place, which is a restaurant. I'm done. No barking. Here we go. We're gonna go bake this stuff. Hey everybody, I'm sitting here with my niece Sophia Stone. She's a little entrepreneur, but she's gonna do the baking part of this recipe. So introduce yourself, say hi, and
Hi.
what's your website?
Stride and Freedom?
Stride and Freedom. You gotta tell them. strideandfreedom.com.
Yep.
So you sell like merch and all that stuff?
I sell merch and then I have an Instagram that's also called Stride and Freedom, and then I give like helpful farm tips.
Awesome. So we're gonna let her do the baking, and here we go.
What do we do first, Sophia?
First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 285.
All right.
What do we do second, Sophia?
I'm gonna take the peppers and sausage that Mike prepared, and I'm gonna put them in the oven at 285 degrees
All right. So how long are we gonna cook them?
for 3.5 hours.
Okay, so 3.5 hours?
Yep.
We're good?
Yep.
All right.
After baking for about 3.5 hours, we're gonna take it out of the oven, uncover it, and sprinkle the exposed sausage with brown sugar. And place it back in the oven uncovered for 30 minutes.
So we're gonna take them out of the oven.
Okay. Be careful.
They look so good.
All right. Let me see that lid. Let's see what these look like. How's it smell?
It smells so good.
All right. That's Sophia. Sophia, good job. We're gonna eat. Let's
Yup.
try these things. We'll let you be the taste tester.
All right. It smells so good.
That does look good. Yeah, Mike was saying it's like a soup. It
Yeah.
creates like a broth.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, we're gonna see what they taste like.
All right.
All right.
I'm taste testing this. It's really good.
What do you taste?
It has like a sweet taste, but then also a heat. But then there's like another taste I can't really put my finger on, but it's really good.
Awesome. Good to hear.
Please visit mikesplacerestaurant.com for the full step-by-step recipe. And as always, thanks for watching, everybody.
Are you eating the dish?
Nope, not me. That'd be my wife.
You're the chef because
That'd be
you're
my-
allowed to taste it.
That would be my wife.
Ooh, I like it. I like it. This is good. You want to get hungry? Come work with Mike.
Now this
In a good way.
this will be zippy. This dish.
It's pretty simple. You're saying, like pretty
No,
easy to do.
It's gonna be zippy.
Oh, a little warm. Okay, I get what you're saying.